Remodeling your kitchen? Stop. Before you make any decisions, let's talk about the biggest mistakes that could ruin your remodel. I see these all the time. And the good news is they're totally avoidable if you know what to look for. Mistake number one is short cabinets. If your upper cabinets stop short of the ceiling, you're wasting valuable space. Not only does it make your kitchen feel smaller, but it also leaves you with that awkward gap at the top that's impossible to decorate. Instead, run your cabinets all the way to the ceiling for a taller, grander, more luxurious look. There's just no need to create a dust collecting gap at the top of your cabinets that serves no real purpose. For ceilings up to 10 feet, go all the way to the ceiling, and you can even stack cabinets for extra storage. Over 10 feet, you'll want to cut off your cabinets so the room doesn't look completely cavernous. Mistake number two is a lack of variety. If your entire kitchen is a sea of identical cabinets, it can feel flat and uninspiring. It's important to mix it up with your kitchen cabinets to create a more sophisticated designer look. You can do that by varying the heights of your cabinets, or you can add glass front doors to break up the monotony of your cabinet doors. You can even incorporate floating shelves for a modern, airy feel, or a mix of wood and painted cabinets for a variety of finishes. If nothing else, go bold with your range hood to create a statement in your room. And finally, mistake number three, prioritizing style over functionality. We all love a good Pinterest or Instagram-worthy kitchen, but trends won't matter if your kitchen doesn't work for your lifestyle. Open shelving may look great, but you have to keep it neat and tidy, so it's not very practical for storage. Marble countertops are gorgeous, but they can stain and etch really easily, so they're not a great choice for families with young children. Here's what to do instead. Think about your daily habits. Do you need more clothes storage, or do you think you can handle open shelving? Then choose durable materials that can handle spills, kids, and just your everyday wear and tear. Finally, make sure your kitchen layout supports your lifestyle, not just what is going to look good in photos. Okay, let's recap these major kitchen remodel mistakes that you'll regret forever. Number one, short cabinets. Number two, not enough variety with your cabinets, leading to a sea of monotony. And number three, prioritizing trends over functionality. Now that you know what not to do, you can design a kitchen that's both beautiful and functional. If you found this helpful, hit the like and subscribe to my channel for more home design tips. Bye for now.